about science about science is about our all surroundings and environment and our body, and our body parts means our body parts and organs how to work. These are tell about science. Next, so today in our class, let us know different types of plants and trees. Most of you observe many plants and trees in our surroundings. They are same? No, they are not same. Some plants are very big and some are small and some are very thin. And some are climb up and some are travel on the ground and some are grow stand on the ground. And so do we call them all by same name? No. We are called different names to different plants. For example, banyan tree, mango tree, and next jasmine, croton plant, money plant, next pumpkin. These are plants and trees names. Next, what are the plants give us? Plants are very useful to us. Plants give us food, flowers, fruits, and otherwise they give us wood. Wood, we use to wood for make furniture. Next, now let us make the classifications of trees and plants. We observe our surroundings many plants and many trees. They are different shapes and different types. Some examples: trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers, and also thorns and water plants. Which type of plants are called trees, and which type of plants are called shrubs, and which type of plants are called herbs and climbers and creepers and thorns and water plants? Let us see on this lesson. First one, trees. Trees are very big and tall plants are called trees. Trees definition ఏంటంటే very big and tall plants are called trees. They have a strong stem. That stem is called trunk. They have many branches. Next, trees are live for many years. For example, neem and mango. Trees are stand on the ground without any support. Next, shrubs. Shrubs are very smaller than the trees. They do not have stem. Stem means trunk. They do not have trunk. And shrubs have many branches. They grow close to the ground. They look bushy. So shrubs is called bushes. For some plants are grow close to the ground. We see jasmine. Jasmine plant is grown close to the ground. Jasmine plant give us beautiful flowers. Next, some plants shrubs. This type of plants leaves are very beautiful and shiny, multicolored leaves. For example, croton leaves. Do you see croton leaves? Croton leaves have very beautiful and multicolored leaves. Next, herbs. Herbs are very small plants. Herbs are very small and soft and weak stem. Soft and weak stem. Herbs are very smaller than shrubs. Herbs are very smaller than shrubs. They live for only 2 seasons. They live for only 2 seasons. For example, rice, wheat, brinjal. Herbs are 2 types. 2 seasonal plants. So herbs are 2 types: winter herbs and Summer herbs. Winter herbs are grown in only winter season. For example, cabbage and cauliflower. Winter herbs are grown in summer herbs are grown in only summer season. For example, lady's finger and sunflower. Climbers. Next one, climbers. Climbers are very soft and weak stem. They cannot stand on their own. We need some support. They climb up. Example, money plant. Creepers. Some weak stemmed plants are called creepers and they do not climb up. They travel on the ground. Next, muskmelon and watermelon and pumpkin. Do you know watermelon? Watermelon is very large in size. So that type of plants cannot climb up. So that type of plants travel on the ground. Next one, thorns. Thorns. Some type of plants have thorns. Thorns means mullu. So some type of plants have thorns. They protect them, other animals and human beings. Water plants. Water plants means some plants grown in water. So they float on the water. For example, water lily and lotus. Example of thorns, cactus and rose plant. We see rose plant rarely. So rose plant have thorns. Next, lifespan of plants. Trees have many years. Trees have lives for many years. Some trees, banyan and neem tree are live for hundreds of years. Do you believe it? Neem and banyan tree have lived for many hundred of years. Next, shrubs live for many years. But herbs lives for only 2 seasons. Okay, children. Watch these pictures. Neem, mango, banyan and tamarind and asoka and coconut trees. These trees. Okay, children. Look at this picture. We have some trees. Neem, mango, banyan, tamarind, asoka and coconut. These trees have strong stem. Stem means trunk. They have many branches and this type of plants are called trees. Trees means very big and tall plants are called trees. Next, this type of trees are called shrubs. They are bushy plants. They are very close to the ground. They are grow very close to the ground. Look these plants. Next, herbs. Herbs are very weak stem. They live for 1 or 2 seasons only. Rice, wheat, maize and brinjal. These are winter herbs. These are summer herbs. Next, creepers and climbers. Money plant is a climber. Watermelon and pumpkin is a creepers. Thorns, cactus and rose. Water plant, lotus and water lily. Okay, children. నేను చెప్పిన లెసన్ ఈ టేబుల్ని మీ నోట్స్లో నోట్ చేసుకుని మీ సరౌండింగ్స్లో ఉన్న ట్రీస్, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers and also thorns and water plants ఇవన్నీ మీ సరౌండింగ్స్లో ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఆ ప్లాంట్ నేమ్ రాస్తూ దాని నుంచి మనకి యూజ్ అయ్యే ఒక పాయింట్ని రాయండి. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ చిల్డ్రన్స్.